Hi guys and gals, welcome back to the channel and another little short project update. Again, I'm looking at the Vectra and I just want to show you where the power steering leak is coming from. So I've just got the engine running so that the pump is running and you can see it just there. Drip, 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 drip. So it's nice and warm under here with the engine. So there you go, quite clearly that's where the power steering is leaking from. So I just wanted to show you. Just want to show you under the wheel arch as well. We just blocked some of the light out. That's better. So I'm just inspecting under the wheel arch. This spring is alright. Shock absorber seems to be alright. The CV boot seems alright, inner and outer. I'll just turn the engine off a minute. Just turn the engine off a minute because it's a little bit noisy trying to do a video with that running. So come back down, shine the torch. Yeah, you see it doesn't drip when the engine's turned off. It doesn't drip because the fuel pump, sorry, the power steering pump's not running. So you need the engine running to be able to see it dripping. So there you can see it stopped dripping now with the engine off. But yeah, I'll just show you around under here because you can see that it all needs a good wire brushing because it's all covered in surface rust and what have you. One of the Achilles heels of these Vectras are these chassis rails, and as you can see this has been fully welded in the past. A big section has been welded in the past and it looks very crusty, but I've given it a good tap and it all seems to be really solid, so hopefully it's alright. But I shall wire brush it all with me grinder with a wire brush, take it all back and see just how good it is. It doesn't look very pretty at all. It looks like a scene from the Titanic, but yeah, well, it's functional. It's not a very good repair. I'd prefer it to be repaired with a proper genuine piece of chassis rail. But yeah, as you can see, the shocks and all the suspension components are all very crusty looking. And so it's been parked up for a while, and it is a 21-year-old car at the end of the day, so it's not bad considering the age of the car. You look at these and think that they're fairly modern, but yeah, it is 21-year-old because it's a 2000 registered car. So bearing in mind, when I passed my driving test in 1995, the car I was driving then was from 1976, so that was 18 years old, and it was nowhere near as good condition as this. Nowhere near as good condition. So yeah, something else I've noticed is this little wire tucked up out of the way, which I'm presuming is the brake pad thickness indicator cable, but it's obviously not plugged in to the brake caliper, so that part of the system is not active. So but the discs are alright. The discs will clean up alright. Plenty of meat on the pads. I will actually take the discs out and wire brush it all and get it all looking nice. But something else I've noticed, if I just go under here a minute as well, looking underneath, I forgot where it was, I saw it. Yeah, just under there. The my camera's not wanting to focus for some reason. Sorry about this, guys. Try and get it to focus. It don't want to. It's being a pain. But yeah, the brake pipes are looking a little bit crusty as well. So I am thinking I might have to replace them sections of brake pipe, and it don't look as bad underneath the rest of the car from what I can see so far, but we'll have to see. So there might be a little bit more work involved than I thought there was. So anyway, I'll keep you informed, let you know how I get on, and I'll give you updates this all needs wire brushing and cleaning and painting, and yeah, just looks an untidy mess. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, notification bell, so you don't miss any future videos, and I shall see you next time. Oh look, there's the manta. See you guys, bye.